Welcome to lesson 58, addition and subtraction inequalities with rational numbers. Lesson 58 of algebraic concepts. Let's get to it. Please take the time to pause and read through this video. If I move a little too fast for you, please go back and watch some of the earlier videos in this series. So what are we going to do? Subtract 154.55 from both sides. And then m is less than or equal to 372.7. And then we graph it, use 0 as reference, 372.7, put a thing there, goes left, color in a circle because it's underlined. M, the solution set is all numbers smaller than 372.7. There you go. So why do we do what we do? We have to subtract because we have to get the m by itself, and I'll go over this when I go over solving equations. So to solve an equation, you work PEMDAS backwards. You do your addition and subtraction first. You do the opposite of what's being done to the variable to make the left side just have the letter. The coefficient, the number in front of the letter, should be 1, positive 1. And if there's no number written there, it's 1. If there's no sign, it's understood to be positive. So what we do to one side, we have to do to the other. And that balances out both sides of the comparison, whether it's an equals or inequality. Okay, so 3/5. All right, so let's do it like this. Let's do x minus 0.5 is less than 4.6. Add 0.5 to both sides, and x is bigger than 5.1. 0, 5.1. It's underlined, so we include it, and it goes to the right. All numbers bigger than 5.1, including 5.1. Oops, sorry. Okay. 8.1 is less than c plus 10.2. Negative 1c plus 2 is 2 minus 1, which leaves us with 1c. Subtract 10.2 from both sides, and we get 2.1. Negative is less than c. c is bigger than negative 2.1. 0, negative 2.1, open circle to the right. So those are our three examples, and I will see you at the end of the video for a recap. So please try those problems that are coming up soon. Okay, so we're going to add 235.6 to both sides. And A is greater than 1437.3. 1437.3, and is bigger than it. Okay, there you go. Oops, I was off. Not 1437, it's 1436. I apologize. That's what I get for moving too fast. It's 1436, not 1437. Okay, add 17.4 to both sides. R is bigger than 37.4. Includes 37.4 as part of the solution set. And then finally, 8.25 t plus 0.5. Subtract 0.5 from both sides. Subtract 0.5 from both sides. You get 7.75 is bigger than t. T is less than 7.75. And graphing that on a number line, 0, 7.75, open circle, and all numbers are smaller than 7.75. And that is our lesson on addition and subtraction inequalities with rational numbers. I know I said in the last video that we would start with multiplication, but I forgot about this one. So we will pick this up on the next video with multiplication, definitely.